Hi, today I want to explain a new feature which is excluding recipe books. You will have seen on these recipe cards that you occasionally get a book symbol and it says that the book is required. And if you look at that recipe, you'll see that it's got no link to a website and no method. So the only way of cooking that meal is to actually have that cookery book, in this case, the red roasting tin. Now that can be a bit annoying if you don't actually have those books. So I've introduced the feature to exclude books. So if we just flick that switch at the top, you'll see that the list of recipe cards has been updated and there are no recipes being shown that require a book. Now that's great, but what if you actually have one of those books? Well, if you go over to settings, what you can now do is select the recipe books you have. So if you really like the roasting tin and actually purchased it, you can click that. And now the roasting tin is added to your selected books. And then if I go back to the planner and search for roasting tin books, if I scroll down, even though I'm excluding books, I've still got roasting tin recipes showing up that require the book. I hope you'll find this new feature useful and are enjoying using Scratch. Thank you.